The Golden Globes have given us our first meme of 2019, the Fiji water girl. Welcome to InformOverload. I'm your host Johnny Rogers, filling in for the Potato Queen Charlotte Dobre. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I mean, what are you waiting for? Here's why you should be subscribed. Because we find the most interesting news stories on the internet and we make them more entertaining, all for you. I feel like the first meme of the year is like the first baby of the year now. It should get widespread news coverage, so to create that, we present you the first meme of 2019 known as the Fiji water girl. We at InformOverload are convinced it's a PR stunt for Fiji water, but regardless, it worked. I mean, people began noticing that in nearly every red carpet photo taken this year at the Golden Globes, there was a woman standing in the background, always holding that tray of Fiji water and sometimes even looking into the camera lens. That brunette woman in a deep blue gown is a model known as Cuthbert, and somehow she made it into almost every single photo this year. Jim Carrey? She was there. Dakota Fanning? She was there. Richard Madden? She was there too. And Twitter was loving these shots too, with one user even writing, "Ryan Murphy just greenlit my limited series about the Fiji water girl." And another person who said, "I am literally going to Photoshop the Fiji water girl into every picture I take from now on." And as you all should, for this is the newest meme of 2019. Man, I just love how that sounds too. Newest meme of 2019. Can we collectively call 2019 year of the meme? That's what I'm calling it, at least from now on. A representative from Fiji Water said that Cuthbert is a Los Angeles-based model and first-time Fiji Water brand ambassador. I mean, not a bad first day on the job if you manage to become a viral meme after your very first event. They're definitely not going to let this publicity well go dry either. You can guarantee that this will now be part of the brand ambassador handbook. The company said Fiji Water will continue to hydrate more of Hollywood this coming award season, so look forward to many more shots of Fiji Water Girl and get those memes a-flowing. Fiji Water Girl even took to Instagram to post a photo of herself at the Golden Globes saying, "Not the worst way to spend a Sunday, definitely not the worst," and she's going to most definitely see a serious bump in her follower count from here on out. I want to know what you think about this first meme of 2019 though. Do you believe that it was a PR stunt put on by the company, or was it just right place, right time for Cuthbert? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. With that, I want to read out some of your featured comments from the video titled, "Netflix warns against dangerous viral bird box challenge." TL Brady says, "No, they're trying to get us to take off the blindfold. Don't trust them. Just watch I.O. Trust me, it's beautiful. Take off the blindfold. It's safe now." Joshua says, "Natural selection at work." You couldn't be more correct with that comment. This challenge reminds me of when Pokemon Go became popular and people were straight up walking off cliffs. Fustro Light says they're just trying to hit the piñata. Except the only thing I think they're hitting is their own face. V Jarrett Gaming says IO is the best info channel on YouTube, gives a great overview without being boring. Ladies and gentlemen, the real MVP. Thank you, Jarrett. WWE fan says, "Oh my god, I love this movie, but this challenge is stupid. Can I please be in a vid?" It was a good movie, but I think the memes were better. And I'm a fan of WWE as well, so there's your shout out. Thank you for watching InformOverload. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Plus, if you want more videos like this one, just click that playlist on the screen. And as always, if you find any new and exciting stories that you want us to cover, look for my Instagram in the description below. Send me a DM. From InformOverload, I'm Johnny Rogers, and until next time, take care.